Hey, what is going on, you guys? Josh here from the Defi guys, and today I want to talk about the piggy bank and how to earn up to 3% per day with this brand new protocol inside of the animal farm. So if you're looking forward to the content within this video, as always, go ahead. Number one, drop the video like, because the YouTube algorithm loves it. It's going to help spread the awareness about this project, and also subscribe to the channel if you like the idea of passive income and making passive income with crypto. Every single week, I'm uploading different videos that show you passive income projects, ideas, and strategies. So if you like that, subscribe, tick the bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the piggy bank. So simply put, the piggy bank is the first ever non-inflationary variable time staking annuity. Stake PIGGY BUSD LP tokens to earn up to 3% daily ROI. To unlock referral bonuses, you must have dog staked in the single asset staking pool. I will include a link below this video that goes into just a ton of depth on this, but in this video, I'm going to give you a quick summary on how this works. So step number one, you need to go ahead and add PIGGY LP. So you determine the exact amount you want to deposit. For example, $10,000. You want to make sure that 5,000 of those dollars is in PIGGY, 5,000 is in BUSD. Once you have that, then you can go ahead and provide liquidity. After you provide liquidity, then you can go over to the piggy bank and you can determine exactly the time lock, the weeks, in other words, that you want to stake for. Longer the time lock, the higher the bonus. So if you scroll down here, you can see rewards over time. So again, at the end of your time lock, you're going to earn higher rewards than at the beginning. So what you do is you determine your time locks. I decided to do about 10 or actually 9 different time locks, and I split them evenly except one. There was one where I did more, and essentially what we want to do, and what I did, this is completely up to you, is I went ahead and said, okay, I've got $50,000. That gave me roughly about 1,248 PIGGY BUSD LP tokens. And I simply divided that by 10. And that gives me roughly right around 124 or so LP tokens per time lock. So I went here and I decided to do a few different ones over the course of right around a year. So you can see that I did roughly 124 LP here, which turned into 136 piglets. And of course, the price of piglets does change. I think right now, at the time of the creation of this video, it's right around $100 or so per piglet. But nonetheless, I did 124 LP tokens in value, which is 136 piglets. The same amount here, which yielded 123. So on and so forth, except on this one, I did 248 LP tokens that turned into 209 piglets. And then you can see the truffles available. You can see the value right now of my stake right now, the time remaining of my stake. And the reason why I did so many here is because the price of PIGGYs might be higher here than it is here. So I might be able to realize more gains here than maybe that I do here, and vice versa. So I wanted to minimize my risk. So understand, when you go ahead and you deposit your LP tokens and you determine your various stakes, which you can do with one wallet, and then you just simply click on gift piglets. So again, if I have 124 LP, we want to do a time lock of 6 weeks. I'm going to buy 49 piglets. And then that's going to be added on line 1. And then you could do another one for 124. Maybe you want to do, 11 weeks, so on and so forth. The longer the weeks, the higher the time lock bonus, as you can see here. And then once a day, you can go ahead and you can compound. So on all these, I plan on compounding every single day until the end of the stake. And then about every other day, I'll more than likely take profits. And the days I'm not taking profits, I'll go ahead and I will compound. So again, you can see all my values here over the course of the past 24 hours. Yes, this released just right around 24 hours ago, just over 24 hours, about 25 hours. So this is still very, very new. But here's a cool thing about this. This works very similar to the way the drip garden works. So regardless of when you come in, you'll still have near the same advantage of the people that came in when the project was first released, which is hugely beneficial, and it's always going to go ahead and attract new investors. With everything that Forex Shark releases, he thinks of longevity. He's not here to create something that's here for a few months and's gone like most dApps that you see out there. He's a mad scientist when it comes to this stuff. He ensures the tokenomics line up correctly to ensure that the life of these contracts last for not months, but years. So you can see right now the contract balance is 904,000 PIGBUSD LPs. Obviously, the more locked PIGBUSDs there are, that's going to sustain the price of pigs and even drive the price up higher. Same thing that we did with the drip garden with drip BUSD. And that seems to work pretty well. So again, I went ahead and put in $50,000. I divided that by 9 different stakes to minimize risk. Going to be compounding every single day. Obviously, as the end of these stakes come to be, it's going to increase my rewards. So the idea is to compound every single day, once a day until the end of your stake, and then you can go ahead and begin taking profits. So really the difference between the garden and this is you have the time lock period, but in conjunction with that, you have the bonus period at the end of your stakes as well, where the drip garden does not have that. So just understand, once you lock in your PIGBUSD, that principal cannot be taken out. You can see all your piglets here. So your LPs are converted to piglets, and then your piglets will produce truffles, and then you could sell your truffles on the market for, USD profit. And you can see the values right here. You can see them continue to rise, and they will over time. So things look really good so far. And I look forward to updating you guys on this process. But again, over the course of a year, I did various different time locks from 1 month all the way up to, almost a year. Okay, so you decide what you want to do. This is not financial advice. As always, make sure that you do your own research. I will include a link below that will explain in more detail, and I go through these slides in a previous video that I created. And again, you can earn on referrals. So if you want to earn on the referral system, that's completely up to you. You want to make sure that you have dogs staked in the staking pool over here. If you have roughly 13 dogs, you're going to get, 5% referrals. So it works very similar to the way Breep works, and Breep obviously mooned with drip. So you want to make sure that you have those staked so you can earn those referral rewards when you refer people to the piggy bank. I know a lot of people don't like referrals and different levels with referrals because they relate it to multi-level marketing. But here's the truth, you guys. The protocols that really grow, and they grow at a drastic rate, they've got a referral program. They offer that incentive. So use that to your advantage. So if you want to go ahead and check out the piggy bank, there's going to be a link in the description. Also, when people do a certain stake along with a certain time lock, I will be doing airdrops. So I can actually gift piglets to you guys. I can gift a time lock to you guys and a given amount of piglets, which is going to provide a huge incentive for you guys to stake longer. So I'll probably in the next video give you guys a certain criteria that will give you guys those free airdrops. But for now, we're just getting started. This is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Do your own research and use this at your own risk. So go ahead, click the link below. That's the official link to the piggy bank. And also, if you want to be notified of these projects before they're released to the YouTube channel, check out my DeFi Mastermind. There will be a link below to that. Okay, thank you so much. Like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know, what do you think the price of pigs will be 1 month from now? My prediction is going to be about $350 to $400. Let me know what you guys think below. It could be even higher than that. I mean, we could take off and go to the moon as more liquidity is added to this, but that's just kind of my conservative guess. Let me know what your guess is below, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Take care.